Hey, what's up everyone? So we've been very busy here at the shop. So we've been falling behind on some videos. Someone had asked us what was going on with that 148 motor build, and we've been receiving a lot of parts, and so we're gonna get ready to unbox all these parts and show you guys what's coming in. There's been some changes. That what is in that box is one of the changes, but let me get all this taken apart and show you guys what's coming in and explain to you guys what's going on with this build. All right, so here is some of the stuff already unpacked. So we're gonna start with, there's a lot of Arleness stuff that's been blue anodized. We're going with floorboards. We're going with a Santoro engine guard or crash bars, however you wanna say them, with the blue accents there, blue calipers, blue grips, pegs. We're going with a Dakota Digital, gauges, and so we got a Trask spoiler or chin spoiler, but the most important part for me at least is the turbo. So some of you guys know that we were going to use a lot of nitrous, so we have decided to go with a nice turbo setup instead. So this is going to be a 148 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 with a turbo. So spoke to the guys over at Trask, and they made this setup for a 70 millimeter throttle body that we have from HPI. So that's amazing as well. So anyway, guys, just a small little update on Anthony's 148. We've been really behind schedule here on this build because we were waiting for a lot of parts to come in. So now everything's here. So we're now going to be rolling on this project. So we'll keep you guys updated. We have a lot more stuff at powder coat. The frame is getting spot painted, so once we get the frame spot painted, powder coat back, we'll start assembling the front end and we can start getting a rolling chassis. But anyway, quick update on Anthony's 148. Thanks for watching, guys.